Welcome back to the second episode of Hacker Rank Problems. So this problem is called capitalize, and as the name suggests, we just have to capitalize the first letter of each word, which is A and H in this case, and the output should be the uppercase of A and uppercase of H. And remember, it has to be a string. That's a string. So now, before going into this, I have two Python functions which you will need to know to accomplish this. The first one is capitalize. So capitalize, what it does is capitalizes the first letter of each word or the word which you give. And then the replace just replaces X with Y. And it takes in two arguments which are X and Y. So now getting into the problem. First, the input they gave, the variable name is S. So what I'm gonna do is for word in S dot split. So we don't know how many words are gonna be in the S. Might be 3, 4, 5, 2, or even 1. I'm just gonna split it, and then I'm gonna take each word in the list and then use the capitalize Python function. For word in S dot split, I would say S equals S dot replace. Now it takes in two arguments, X and Y. Okay, before going any further, I have an important announcement to make. This YouTube channel, CodeTheGlobe, he posts very cool videos about Pokemon battles, Pokemon tips, tricks, all you need to know about Pokemon. You should really check him out. The link to his YouTube channel will be in the description box below. Okay, so now getting back, S equals S dot replace. It takes in two arguments. First thing is what you want to replace. I want to replace word these. Then what you want to replace word with. I will want to replace it with word dot capitalize. Okay, so now we have that all done. Now the only thing you have left is we need to print out S. I'm gonna try running the code. There you go, you got it all right. So now let's submit the code. Then they ran 5 test cases and all of them was a success. Congratulations. Thank you for your time for watching this video. Hope you have a great day. Signing off. CodeTheGlobe.